Ask of you. A personage of great esteem is to return. I speak of Sir Augustin. Your aid is requested in guarding his ox cart as a potential ally to your cause. And bear in mind. You have your orders. Read them.
Let us make haste, that no life may be lost on our account.
They are capable allies on journeys near and far.
About time you showed up. Our mission is simple. Sir Augustin will board the ox cart. See to it that none. The Queen Regent's supporters will come for Sir Augustin's head. Quiet. Come along now. What was that sound? Who's there?
Hold a moment. I'll be
Foul brigand!
There's no need. Ah, here's a surprise. Fair warning, cuz.
He speaks madness! Subdue him at once!
Why, if 'tisn't Sir Ragnar from the tavern. Now two parties ask for aid, but which is the more deserving?
You would betray me.
You believe me then? That's a bit of a relief,
I would have preferred not to have to fight so soon, but at least I know I am up to the challenge.
We must not let down our guards.
Curse you!
Phew. I appreciate the confidence, but I can't linger here. Follow after me if you can. Succeed. Oh, you seem to have fared better still. So long as he is speaking of, I'll be glad to oblige you, of course. Not from what I've seen of your skills and my word ought to carry it. Turns out, as a self makes for a duller life. Still, I hunger. I'd not say no to a fight. May. I'm not sure what. I suppose I'll have a. That escort mission, but Augustin is no fool. So I looked into the cart. Rather, your name was on. In short, you had been. Mark my words. You'd not have stood a chance against I. Methinks I've earned my pay. Now all that remains is still. One thing's for certain. But why? What? I've no business. Well, this is at least you made it out all right. After all, we'll see each other again. You can.